In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a subtask to another story in Jira. This is a handy skill to have in your toolkit if you're managing tasks and responsibilities within Jira, an issue tracking and project management tool that's widely used in software development. Let me walk you through each step in this straightforward process, ensuring you can effortlessly manage your tasks and improve your project organization. First, you'll need to navigate to the project you're working on within Jira. It might seem basic, but it's crucial to make sure you're in the right place, since different projects often have different tasks and stories. Take a moment here to confirm you're in the correct project before proceeding. Once you've confirmed that, your next step is to click on the All Work tab. This section typically houses all the tasks, bugs, and subtasks associated with your project and is your starting point for most task management actions. Getting familiar with this area can significantly ease your workflow in Jira. Now, you're going to open the specific subtask you want to move. A subtask is essentially a smaller task that is part of a larger story or issue. These are often used to break down a larger task into more manageable parts. By opening it, you'll gain access to all details related to that subtask, including its current status and parent story. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a panel with various details about the subtask, including the parent field. This is where you'll perform the key action needed to move the subtask. Go ahead and click on this parent field. This action is crucial as it sets the groundwork for changing the association of the subtask from one story to another. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, you should select the new story or parent issue you'd like the subtask to be associated with. Typically, all potential parent stories or issues will be listed here, making it straightforward to reassess and realign where tasks should reside. This change ensures that the subtask is correctly aligned under the appropriate story, reflecting the most current requirements and priorities for your team. Once you've selected the new story, you're essentially done because changes in Jira are automatically saved. There's no need to search for a Save button because Jira promptly captures and updates your changes. This automatic save feature helps minimize errors and ensures that your work is immediately reflected across your project. So there you have it, a quick and efficient way to move a subtask to another story in Jira. Whether you're decluttering your tasks or need to reassign work to better fit project needs, this skill will certainly come in handy. Thanks for following along and happy managing in Jira.